About 9 years ago, I started working for Angel Water. And at that time, I knew nothing about water treatment, water purification, what the systems do, what they don't do. But what I did know was that my youngest son at the time, who wasn't even 3 months old, was getting extremely sick and continually losing weight. Didn't know why. Took him to the doctor, did some testing, found out he had coliform and E. coli exposure or poisoning. So we had to really look and figure out where was this coming from. So I was talking to my boss, the owner of Angel Water, and lamenting to him about these issues, and he reminded me, "Where do you work, Kurt?" I said, "Oh yeah, I work for Angel Water. We do water treatment and water purification." So I tested our water. I live up in McHenry, right off the river, and sure enough, we have coliform and E. coli coming into the home. So to remedy the issue, I invested in water softener, an RO system, and most importantly, a chlorination system. That system takes care of all that bacterial growth, which I had all of it in our well, and prevents it from then coming into our bodies and being consumed by my kids, my dogs, my wife, and myself. Ever since getting the equipment, everybody's been better. No more issues relating to that because the chlorinator is doing its job. So I can't recommend enough the product that I have in my home to keep us safe, happy, and healthy. And it's sort of evangelized me into believing in what it is that I do for this company.